Hi, our today's topic is about hair cutting. What is hair cutting? Hair cutting is a process of cutting the hair, texturizing the hair or tapering the hair in order to create in order to form a shape with the help of hair cutting tools. There are several things we keep in mind when we are doing a haircut. For example, cutting technique. There are several cutting techniques present in the hair cutting. First technique is called club cutting, which is commonly used for basic haircuts. Then comes your point cutting. Point cut is done to add pointed look on the ends, and which is very commonly done when we are doing layer haircuts or advanced haircuts. Then comes your scissor over comb cutting, which is actually done for the males and in which we keep our scissor over the comb and we chop the hair. After cutting technique, next thing which we should keep in mind, after doing the haircut comes your blow dry setting, which is very common. After doing the haircut, which we do the blow dry setting. According to haircuts, there are different types of blow dry setting. For example, in blow dry setting, there are three types of common blow dry setting comes. First comes your straight dry, which is commonly done for people for whom we are doing the basic haircut, for example, straight haircut or any U or V haircut. Then comes your in curl. In curls blow dry setting is usually done for people for those we are cutting the haircut, which is face framing, for example, feather cut or your concave haircut. Then comes your out curl. Out curl is a technique of a blow dry setting which is commonly done for people those who are having layer haircut, for example from backside layer, and to show the volume. For the haircuts like reverse graduation, multi-layer haircuts, we use blow dry, which is out curls. After blow dry setting, next comes your grip holding. The way we cut the hair, it also depends on our grip, in which we hold with the help of our fingers. There are two common grips. First is your horizontal grip, second is your vertical grip. Horizontal grip is commonly used for basic haircuts to create a form of a line or a shape. Vertical grip is usually used to create layers in the hair and to reduce the volume of the hair. Then comes in haircut comes degrees of the haircut. According to the various names, there are the different degrees on which haircut is done. On every degree, the look transforms of the hair, and even there is a change in the volume of our hair. For example, when we are cutting a basic 0 degree or a straight line, we use 0 degree. When we are cutting layers, we use 90 degree, 45 degree, or we use 180 degree also. When we are going towards 90, 45, 180, we are creating an elevation which helps to form layers and add volume to your hair. Now, even these degrees are very important according to the haircut to study. Haircut is basically done on the degree of the haircut, the blow dry setting, the technique on which we are cutting, and the concern about the client to add volume or to reduce the volume. According to that, a haircut is done. Haircut is usually done most commonly when client needs to change their look from a particular one which they are having from so longer time. For example, someone who's having a very soft silky hair, we can cut feather cut or a straight line haircut to add some difference into their actual look or the normal look which way they are going through. If someone is having a very thin hair, we can add multi layers to add some volume or to amp up some volume.